Cameronians, this is a grievous day for you and for all of us here. We may well say that it is a grievous day for Scotland, seeing that your roots have been so closely intertwined with the history of church and state in this land. And now you are to cease being a regular unit in Her Majesty's forces. It has, however, never been the habit of Cameronians to whimper, and we shall not whimper now. For thank God, we can fill this doleful moment with our gratitude and our pride. On this historic spot, we remember the men who, on the 14th of May, 1689, first gave the Cameronian name to the regiment of my Lord Angus, then being raised as the 26th of Foot. They were men into whose inner fibre the Bible, as the Word of God, had woven its own strong and powerful influence and pattern. It is surely fitting that today we should seek from that same word inspiration and encouragement to sustain the present hour. And here it is, you've heard it read. Be strong and of a good courage. Be not afraid, neither be disheartened, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. It's a word for us all. It's a word for you who have been serving in the 1st Battalion, and over whose future now may hang some cloud of uncertainty. I say to you, be of good courage. The mystic element of morale has ever